Now the classical Kotoko in place na bi wo ho no has lived through play be say Manuel Jemfi mo a lot of seasons e Kotoko. Omuni Kotoko etu kwan in recent years no. The omunim any say so mutu kwan a every day bia omo entitled to $100 as per diem. And the place no go do ho no. And normally per diem ye tua no at the airport a ye tu kwan. And as a mukodru ya the following day anopatututu near the per diem ni nyina shamunsa because already the number of days a mokwakodu akonto munim dada. And the number of days ni boom each day $100 ni akabom na each player let na dia ma no bia enya na sumdwi. Enti ade ye no Obakaya Felix Anana and Mauritania ni bi. Enti the captain of the side was Emmanuel Jemfi. Then the players called their captain Jemfi. No most man say management ono kokacho mo so. Yeah die. Pe die nim no se Kotoko ye di omutu kwan a. Anya we kwa latest ade ye no pase a. Ne ye boy prum ne di obi a pe diem ahye ne nsem nti ko. Ne ko bo so mo say ye pe diem no e ho asem etisen and that's a hodia ye twen sika no na omoma ye nsanka. Now Emmanuel Jemfi ko shia management no. Na ono omukodi nkomo no. Then the management called a meeting. As my management in the catch place and they say omunim say the original data now also commodity to coin Eba Mauritania game no has been extended. And it was a last minute extension. And it affected Kotoko budget now to coin in the first place because now Omar Trot was on back with 3 days, but they ended up spending 5 days in Mauritania. And the additional cost 5 days, I had the extra 2 days now back home. I'm almost sick as no. I be a kakra,
which is reasonable.
And the place in come and to me. There were moments to see and some case somebody beat you up a diem now. And we are no master to my diam or more Mauritania. And to one trying Omoba Ghana. On the Wednesday after they come to Ghana, they will give them the per diem. That is the message management. The map players, Players in the TS here. Now, when the players die, then they send their captain again with some few senior players to go and tell the management so dear Enrano omuno kaya verbally omotiase no omosiro mu a omumpa anentitwetwa bia they should put it on paper. Send a beya they will have their copy. The management will have their copy. And to Mudru Ghana, they will fight the case with Adia Ewo paper. So, and I'm okay. So they put the agreement on paper and Omoba Ghana. Now, Omoba Ghana, no, Adia see and said the Wednesday after Kotoko Bedru was a match day.
Yeah.
And the players, on that Wednesday, no more Accra, Ebo game. And to be a concentration was on the game. The following day, which was Thursday, and a Kotoko management, etia players ni na epedium edimam. Nemomuno. Instead of 5 days accumulating $500, Kotoko management ended up giving every player $400. That is the story of the first episode of a Kwanyasa issue when you know so by. Now, Rich, fast forward. After Mauritania, medical become of fear has said there has been Zoom meetings about an air process policy say ontia pro rata biem, ontia sign on fibium. Ama some key members of the Kotoko team na omo ebo enjo so. But it's a decision the management has taken. In the everything there, even players are raising issues about side policy, They have not gotten their answers whether they are going to be treated differently or not. I say, Obia because majority of those players raising those issues, already have an existing contract with Kotoko. And Tomo says, oh, the contract new, Nami ko renew. A honor AB, I must make a so Debbie, me sign on fee. Nakasa, me sign on fee. The case of Masobako, that is what is hanging around CCA. Now, the undertones of the AC Sudan and Nambabe Shasiam. I've already talked about the CEO Mauritania. The other kind. There are players who Kotoko CCA last season. Na according to my contract, I was say to pro rata momu. Sikanem koi. Yes. You are starting new season because last one no truncated league. Now you are starting new season. You have more matches. Kotoko boy in Africa. This season the end also per the pro rata in GS Kano. The last 3 games at Kotoko abo, winning bonus plus game money no adibu boy na qualify na. I also say it's qualification bonus and also some coin.
It's not in.
They are also miensa. Now in the contract of Kotoko, any high sense, yes, plenty of players they say, oh, there's a 5,000 Ghana cedis bonus. As a player prevent a loss in any game, entitled to. Now, so opponent, no, I should go to your neighbor, winning go for the opponent, almost see more 5,000. Now, the players are saying, say, per game, so more in the league this season, no. Anya Huequano say, we games so more bonus free, do nana, yan show mo, 5,000 each per the high sense contract, you know, for them to prevent, say, yan show mo, no, Sasi Canon so, months and once in free management in the hall.
Which omu players in him say
it's in their contract.
Our contract you're winning no quite they said the mine.
Yes.
And also almost
it's not about win. So I'm no more
5,000
more because you show more and if
every game
in the Ghana Premier League.
And then you calculate maybe we say go league no more how many matches?
About 5.
About 5 Nina.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't want just one game.
One.
And that
means about 4 or 5 games now.
Okay, 5,000 for Buma. 20,000 I can want to
of course.
Nina players in some kind.
The Omujiri say I was say a bomb ho.
Okay.
Asika. What do you know to There are players in the Kotoko team today who still harbor the pain of Marcel Knodu. Any the way he was sacked. Any whether even it was a good decision or not. Because there are some key players in the Kotoko team today. Last time, I don't know who were raising the issue, and I think also should be raising the issue. They say, even before Marcel Knodu Pebano, the players Kotoko aside, a lot of them came under the recommendation of him. And me kai on record, or Georgia Makwa the kai on radio, so say, oh, Marcel Knodu, me kai de na ya Kotoko, unveiling Marcel Knodu, Georgia Mwako, Adako Jack, so Marcel Knodu cried. You need to hear Juma behind the scenes that and a lot of the players of Mama Kotoko Numpo or no, and I recommend you mobile. So the players have some attachment to the coach. A new coach in the corner. I'm not trying to justify, but I'm trying to paint the correct picture. Say there are players who feel the pain of the way I see Apamo Maso. Now, Rich, generally, majority of the Kotoko players are not happy with the Kotoko management. And me boss am nippon. In some yamabu bosu nyine. Now, say obey the ekoso otibinim and the reason why asamani pompon so akwakusi o Sudan. Now all these payment Kotoko players ni jini say eye due them no. They've tried getting the management to understand say eye sika bia omo twen na omo hwekwan. Calls, text messages, all this approach of my no. Rich, the truth of the matter is say, according to them, management in fear. And you call yemfa. Say, almost any text message I yemfa. Almost any of my captains say, at the end of the course, or moncope, a seminum in Chilumra, or mobile, or monfa message beyond bromo. And the management have been elusive on these issues.
And one thing we have to add for people to understand is what this thing might have fueled what the players are doing. Also, in JBiana management, about praising the government about some Sika government the support to Kotoko campaign. Africa. $300,000 from the ministry and $50,000 from the president. And if all the players then you come out to praise the government. Yes.
Okay. You see, aside all these issues, Now, sometimes you may not want to go deeper into things. But me also say, who say now, Sabi, the be our soda for my UTS. You've heard about the issues of players be raising issues and no reservations about Muniru Sule and Fabio Gama and it's the special treatment I dream or any other.
Yes, Fabio Gama there. Omo goro team the two kwan hotel bi ombe gubi ono nkwan na dan dem.
That's sweet.
Oni Muniru. Omo makani no obi ada tutu.
Because Fabio de ne ba.
Which is not right.
You see, Muniru so adine dey separate.
The issue is that no, you see, you started the record straight. The suits are Fabio Demono and yet the Kotoko usual campaign and our other suits him. It is where he is staying now. Who's a Kotoko place? No, maybe that Silicon Hotel. As in a hono permanent or must stay and sana or map accommodation permanent one a moment. A hono that suits him. But this issue now about is that when they go for camping, pair players no camping. Nhyira and Fabio say they want to have their separate rooms. They shouldn't be paired with Obia. But initially it was so. But Obia didn't raise the issue until these issues started coming out. And the reason why the players have started raising this issue, they say, in far away in Mauritania, when it was back and forth with this stadium, they had an impression, say, Muniru, and in the role I will play, he was more on behalf of the management than on the player side. And there are incidents the players have started to suspect, say, even within the players, no meeting in bar, Muniru Koka some chase you, and then the management is so we can say, and as no and the way to say into Momubuafuno, and as a moment instigate this essence, a way more. That is why a starting bar, but so. And that is the reason why we give you players the special treatment. Now, Rich, as something in American, the medical chatwa may assure say, and no panic be as something and they say, today, Saoko Kotoko playing body anymore. Ayako said they are coming to a resolution. Say, when they have crucial issues, they are not ready to sit down with the management anymore, but they want to have the board to address issues directly for them.
I've had a point that you do no.
Yes, because
why is it so? Money management.
They've lost trust in the management.
This is a board,
and that they think say so I said they want to have the opportunity to have the board to address it for them directly than going through the management. That is maybe as something I could do. The only good news I free Sudan ever and they say in about some few minutes and the pre-match press conference of the Kotoko Ayala game no. And che biana me posti sa news my Twitter handle no. And for benefit of emphasis no, my mention na me ma sa news ni ye. And then you and area. There's a Confederations Cup game. Now to put this story in the right perspective now meeting a course and people are misinterpreting the course of Sudan. The same meeting Emma Kotoko players to training was Enra and Yene.
Yeah. Okay.
Because there's a Confederations Cup game. I also Sudan Omduman Park na Kotoko game no also no. And originally now they've scheduled to train on the match venue Enra. Same time now also muko training no. That was the time the Kotoko players also wanted to address all their issues. And that was when they said look, moya pemo Ghana mo fear.
Where they will be chrome.
They say about be chrome. Now you need us to go and train. This is when we also will be telling you yes, you see problems. Until they refuse to train at the scheduled time in terms of the agreement or money Ayala for Ayeno. Now, when you say Ghana Football Association, I'm head of delegation in Nana Safo-Odro. Nana Safo-Odro came in and as an intermediary or no, any too many players, no, any management in the Casa say, look, no matter the situation, no. yɛmfa nto yɛkyi na yɛnkɔ so na yɛnyɛ training ne yɛmmɔ game ne nwie ne yɛduru Ghana yɛakɔ resolve issue. Unfortunately for him, after resolving the issue, now the schedule time yɛde ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko sɛ ɔmo betumi akɔ stadium hɔ akɔ train no na apa ho ɛyɛ nɛ ɛna after ɔmo pre-match meeting they've been able to push say awia Ayala Obiet ɛne
Namungo SC
ɔmo fi Tanzania ɔmo bɔ Confederations Cup game ɛwɔ match venue no ɔmo bɔ wia. Good news, you know, say pre-match conference, so they've gone to agree. Say and then you 6 p.m.
But we cook training.
Kotoko, intimate park, so now omuntimin koyo mu training now omu messe no. And
also in CAF regulations, you know.
Okay, my time.
My time. And I said earlier before my time, but because of circumstances now, and I'll for our clients, okay, then 6 p.m. we will still give you the stadium for you to train. Now, with me. I in good shape for the match.
And some but
those are the issues.
Mami kwa view, but before me ba I have you no Jonathan Sands and so bias say